Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to my another English lesson. So basically I am situated right here, as you can see that beside a river, and which is a sunset time, and overall the view and the surrounding both are a good combination right here. And if I see you guys, as you can see, the 360-degree views like that. So here you can see that a lot of people are just fishing with their boat and the net as well. And on the other hand, as you can see, there is an aircraft just trying to fly in the sky. Look at the view in front of me. What a mesmerizing sky. How many colors there are. This is unbelievable. Moreover, there are visualizing a lot of clouds including white and black. Also, some people are fishing over there in the lake. Overall, I love the golden view in the sky. Now I am taking some cinematic shot while passing vehicles across the road. At the moment, you can see I am taking some adorable scenery standing on a bridge. Basically, where I am situated, this place is called Badagat Bridge, and the river name is Shari Goin River. Beside the river, there is established the Central Jail on August 11, 2011. This is a secondary branch of Central Jail. Basically, the first and the primary jail is located in central city of the Sylhet. Now I am located little inside from the bridge. There is a masterpiece, real beauty of a river. The sun is just sinking into the water, such as both are touching. Finally, I witnessed to the moment where some fishermen fishing on the river with their fishing boat and fishing net. I think that's enough for today. So see you in the next video. Till then, you will be good. That's it.